So today we are going to talk about Samsung Tab S6 Lite. ये एक LTE version है जिसमें you can insert your SIM as well and use it as a mobile phone. On the top of the tablet we can see 3.5 mm audio jack along with sound grill. On the right hand side we have a lock key along with volume up and down key, and we also have a sort of an invisible magnetic clip in order to attach S Pen along with microphone and SIM slot. Magnetic clip sound is pretty much satisfying whenever we attach this S Pen. Now on the downside we can see a sound grill along with Type-C charging point. Now this particular tablet sound system is provided by AKG Harman and powered by Dolby Atmos in order to give you a surrounding sound experience. Coming to the cameras, we have a front camera which is of 5 megapixel and rear camera which is of 8 megapixel. Front camera is good enough in order to attend meetings, especially from work from home, and rear camera is good enough to capture few moments. I don't think people are going to use it for particularly for photography, but it works fine. As I said that the sound system of this particular tablet is really good, तो एक बार check करना तो बनता है. Now one of the special thing, or I should say सबसे attractive thing about this tablet is the S Pen. S Pen is pretty much responsive and it is actually useful. You don't have to purchase it separately. It comes along with the box. You can use this pen in order to draw, in order to write, in order to edit a document, and whenever you are using it as a notebook. Now Samsung ने बहुत सारी apps provide करी in order to best utilize the capacity of your S Pen. The display of this tablet is 10.4 inches and it has having a battery capacity of 7040 mAh. Apart from this, the processor is 1.7 gigahertz octa-core and it comes with an operating system of Android 10 and the battery life also guaranteed is 20 hours by Samsung. Along with it, it's a good tablet for students and teachers, especially for editing documents, editing assignments, using it as a notebook or using it as a textbook for reading, underlining, or highlighting particular documents. ये काफ़ी अच्छा option है if you are looking for a tablet for rather than a laptop. अगर आप लोग को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन सो दैट अगली बार मैं कोई भी वीडियो डालूँ यू विल बी नोटिफाइड फर्स्ट अबाउट इट, एज वेल एज आई एम ऑल्सो encouraged to make such videos and I can bring much more new experiences for all of you. Thank you for watching.